It wasn't actually my aim to do such a thing. It was, we just planned coming on holidays. And my brother-in-law asked me if we can do something. Then I said, the best thing is to bring something for this optical workshop here to be presented. And he is an optician, as I told him. Then he said, that is no problem. So within some few weeks, we collected about 250, 300 spectacles. So we brought this as the beginning, and that is not the last time that we are coming here. We shall be coming more, we shall be coming again. Yeah, and as soon as we return, we try to contact the other friends and then bring some more spectacles here. And when we have somebody who is reliable coming here also, we give it to the person who knows Keta district to bring it. Or we send it per DHL to my nephews, Alex Ajinku or Ignatius Ajinku, and they will present it over here. So that is our aim of presenting this. Yeah, and it was something I promised my brother-in-law, the late Tobia Dalaja, that we should have a project, and promptly he passed away. Yeah. So that was the reason why we couldn't do one or two. We couldn't do such things, and it is my honor to help the Anglo State. So that is our aim of coming here. I find it very touching because I don't come often. So anytime when I come to Keta, I feel like not going back again. I still remember my old days in Keta, so it's still the same. And it's very touching, as I was giving the speech also. So it will motivate me to push me forward to do more. Okay. My last word is, let us be together. No discrimination, and then we come together and we help each other. This is my last word to the Anglo State and to the whole Ghana. Whether it's Akufo-Addo or Bahama, I don't care.
We received some visitors from Germany and Switzerland. They came here and they donated some spectacles to the facility, which we use to help our customers. So we are very grateful to them for these donations. So we are here always. This place has been established some 46 years ago. And then we are helping people, a lot of people all over the country and outside Ghana. So we are inviting everybody who needs spectacle to come and then, so that we help them. So we are very grateful to our benefactors. And then we need a lot of things. We are putting up an eye clinic, an administration block, which is in progress, 85% complete. So because of financial constraints, nothing is going on again. So we are appealing to benefactors and well-wishers to come and help us so that we can complete the project for its usage. Thank you.
Hey, what's up? Like in you don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. All right.